Get ready to gear up for your outdoor adventures with the top camping gadgets for 2025. These cutting-edge tools and devices are designed to make your camping experience more comfortable, convenient, and exciting. From innovative shelters to portable ice makers, we've curated the ultimate list of must-have gadgets for modern explorers. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, these gadgets will elevate your time in the great outdoors. Let's dive into the future of camping. HITCH-HOME Duo Tent. The HITCH-HOME Duo Tent is the ultimate solution for campers seeking a balance of comfort, portability, and durability. Its quick pitch technology allows for hassle-free setup, taking just minutes to assemble, making it ideal for weekend getaways or road trips. Designed with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, this tent provides reliable protection against rain, wind, and UV rays, ensuring a safe and comfortable shelter in the great outdoors. The spacious interior comfortably fits 2 adults and their gear, while the dual-door design ensures excellent ventilation and easy access. What sets the HITCH-HOME Duo apart is its compact and lightweight construction, which makes it easy to carry and store. The reinforced aluminum poles and sturdy seams offer superior durability, allowing it to withstand rugged terrain and tough conditions. Additional features like interior storage pockets and gear lofts keep essentials organized and within reach. Whether you're camping in the woods, on the beach, or at a festival, this tent is the perfect companion for your adventures. Mars 3 Official TVC Outdoor Projector. The Mars 3 Official TVC Outdoor Projector turns any outdoor setting into a private cinema, making it the ultimate gadget for tech-savvy campers. Its 4K resolution and 1000 ANSI lumens of brightness deliver crystal-clear visuals with vibrant colors, even in low-light conditions. Built for outdoor use, the Mars 3 boasts a rugged design with shock resistance and IP54 water resistance, ensuring durability against rough handling and unpredictable weather. Its rechargeable battery provides up to 5 hours of playback, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies, shows, or games without interruption. This projector's versatility shines through its support for wireless streaming and compatibility with various devices, including smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles. The built-in dual speakers provide immersive sound quality, eliminating the need for additional audio equipment. Compact and easy to transport, the Mars 3 is perfect for creating memorable movie nights under the stars or entertainment at the campsite. With its premium features and durable build, this outdoor projector redefines on-the-go entertainment. The IGNIK FIRECAN fire pit brings the warmth and ambiance of a traditional campfire with the convenience and safety of a portable design. Built with rugged steel and equipped with a high-performance burner, this compact fire pit delivers clean, smokeless flames that are perfect for roasting marshmallows or relaxing by the fire. Its Quick Connect gas system makes setup a breeze, allowing you to enjoy the warmth and charm of a campfire without the hassle of gathering wood or worrying about fire bans. What sets the IGNIK FIRECAN apart is its thoughtful design, featuring foldable legs for stability on uneven terrain and a compact size for easy transport. The perforated steel sides create a mesmerizing flame effect while keeping sparks contained, ensuring safety at any campsite. Perfect for road trips, beach outings, or backyard gatherings, the FIRECAN combines functionality, portability, and eco-friendly performance to enhance your outdoor experience. Tiny REPEL 360-degree mosquito protection. The Tiny REPEL provides comprehensive mosquito protection, ensuring your camping trips are bug-free and comfortable. This innovative gadget emits a 360-degree zone of protection, using safe, odorless technology to repel mosquitoes and other insects. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere, whether at a campsite, picnic, or backyard gathering. With a rechargeable battery offering up to 12 hours of use, the tiny REPEL is your ultimate defense against biting bugs. Its sleek design ensures it blends seamlessly into any outdoor setup, while its quiet operation keeps the ambiance undisturbed. The device covers a wide area, making it ideal for group activities or solo adventures. Whether you're lounging by the fire or enjoying dinner under the stars, the tiny REPEL creates a safe, mosquito-free zone, allowing you to focus on what matters most: enjoying the outdoors. Meet DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact yet powerful drone that redefines aerial photography and videography for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing less than 249 grams, this ultra-portable drone is packed with cutting-edge features, including 4K HDR video recording, obstacle avoidance sensors, and an extended flight time of up to 45 minutes. Its intelligent flight modes, like Follow Me and Waypoint Navigation, make capturing stunning footage effortless, whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring new landscapes. What truly sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its user-friendly design. The intuitive controls and DJI Fly app integration ensure that even beginners can operate it with ease. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the robust build ensures durability in outdoor environments. Whether you're documenting your adventures or scouting remote terrains, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect blend of portability and performance. Battery-powered ice maker. The FLEXTAIL EVO ICER revolutionizes outdoor convenience by delivering fresh ice on demand, even in the most remote locations. This battery-powered ice maker is compact and portable, capable of producing up to 12 ice cubes in just 10 minutes. Perfect for camping, picnics, or road trips, the EVO ICER ensures you can enjoy chilled drinks and keep perishables cool without relying on bulky coolers or ice packs. Designed with rugged outdoor use in mind, this device features a durable, splash-resistant body and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 3 hours per charge. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to operate, while its lightweight design ensures portability. Whether you're hosting a campsite cocktail hour or keeping your catch fresh, the FLEXTAIL EVO ICER is a game-changing gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. Insta360 Go 2. The Insta360 Go 2 is a tiny yet powerful action camera designed to capture your adventures with ease. Despite its compact size, this camera records stunning 1440p video with advanced stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even during intense activities like hiking or biking. Its magnetic mount allows for creative placement, giving you unique perspectives and hands-free operation for immersive storytelling. What makes the Insta360 Go 2 stand out is its portability and user-friendly features. With a waterproof design and a built-in rechargeable battery, offering up to 2.5 hours of use, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. The companion app provides seamless editing and sharing options, letting you relive and share your favorite moments effortlessly. Whether you're documenting a camping trip or capturing action-packed scenes, the Insta360 Go 2 is your go-to camera for dynamic, high-quality content. Frontrunner Rooftop Tent. The Frontrunner Rooftop Tent takes camping comfort to new heights, literally. This durable and weatherproof tent mounts securely to your vehicle's roof rack, providing a safe and elevated sleeping area. With a spacious interior, built-in mattress, and mesh ventilation panels, it offers a luxurious camping experience without compromising portability. The quick fold design makes setup and takedown a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your surroundings. Built for rugged adventures, the Frontrunner Rooftop Tent features heavy-duty materials that can withstand harsh weather and tough terrains. Its compact design folds neatly into a protective cover for easy transport. Whether you're overlanding or exploring remote trails, this tent combines convenience, durability, and comfort, making it an essential addition to your camping gear. WATERPORT 8-Gallon Weekender. The WATERPORT 8-Gallon Weekender ensures you have a reliable water source wherever your adventures take you. This portable pressurized water tank holds up to 8 gallons, providing enough water for cleaning, showering, or cooking. Its durable design includes a hand pump for manual pressurization and an included hose with a nozzle for precise water control. The tank can be easily mounted to a vehicle or carried to your campsite. What makes the WATERPORT Weekender special is its versatility and convenience. The rugged build ensures it withstands outdoor conditions, while its easy-to-use system makes it practical for a variety of tasks. Whether you're rinsing off after a hike or washing dishes at camp, this gadget offers a hassle-free solution for staying clean and comfortable in the wild. OVERLANDER, the all-terrain navigator. The OVERLANDER all-terrain navigator is the ultimate tool for explorers who crave adventure off the beaten path. Featuring detailed topographic maps, real-time GPS tracking, and preloaded trails, this rugged device ensures you never lose your way. Built for extreme environments, it boasts a weatherproof and shock-resistant design, making it ideal for overlanding, camping, or off-road expeditions. The Overlander's intuitive interface and customizable routing options make it easy to navigate complex terrains, while its large, high-resolution display ensures visibility in all conditions. Additional features like live weather updates and emergency SOS functions add layers of safety and convenience. Whether you're charting new territories or revisiting favorite trails, the Overlander Navigator is your trusted guide for every adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more camping and outdoor gear reviews. Stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video.